Faster healing, stronger results, better hair. How? With Exosome Therapy.
Hi everyone. Many people ask, is there a faster way to speed up recovery after a hair transplant? We have good news. There is, and it's called Exosome Therapy. Now, what is exosome therapy? Well, exosomes are tiny messengers from stem cells. They carry signals that help with healing. They contain growth factors, protein, RNA that triggers tissue repair and regeneration. So what are the benefits of exosomes with a hair transplant? Well, first of all, they wake up weak hair follicles. They boost growth and thickness, and they reduce inflammation and redness. They also improve graft survival and the success rates. Finally, they make healing faster and smooth. Why are exosomes becoming so popular nowadays? Well, it's because they are rapidly being adopted in hair transplant protocols. They are also seen as a powerful complementary therapy rather than just a luxury add-on. If you're considering a hair transplant and want to speed up recovery, exosome therapy could be the answer. All in all, exosomes help support your transplant results and keep your hair healthier and longer. Thank you for listening, and please subscribe to our channel.